You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front reading lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.